Do you hear that? That's the sound of your door automatically unlocking as you return home. Introducing the BOSMA AEGIS, a new smart home door lock which locks and unlocks using your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and automatically locks when the door is closed. In fact, this lock will alert you if your door is left open, doing so without the use of an external sensor. The BOSMA AEGIS is one simple and versatile piece of hardware. Your physical keys will still work fine, complete with unbreakable AES 128 encryption. No one gets in your home if you don't want them to be there. The device will even sound an alarm if someone tries to pick your lock or it detects someone is kicking at your door. Easy to install in a matter of minutes using only a screwdriver. The BOSMA AEGIS is made specifically for the standard US deadbolt, ideal for renters who may not be able to alter their door's locks.